Hello students, welcome to all of you in this video. Before we start, I want to tell you something that in this lockdown period you have to stay at home and be sincere, because except study your health is also important. So obey your parents, stay at home and stay fit. Now in this video I am going to solve 3 questions which are the last 3 questions of exercise 1.3. These questions are 13, 14 and 15, and the page number of your textbook is page number 14. See, this is the page number 14 and exercise 1.3. These are the last 3 questions. So today in this video we will finish this exercise, and all these questions are related to basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, means all about basic arithmetic operations. So the question number 13 is, 13th question is, the question says that in one state the number of TV sets sold in the year 2014-15 was 8,47,200. Now I write the required information which is used to solve this question. In one state, state means just like Rajasthan is a state, okay. So in the year 2014-15 the number of TV sets sold were 8,47,200, and the year 2015 to 16 is 9,10,345. So the question is, in which year were more TV sets sold and by how many? So we have to find the number of TV sets which were sold more. As you can see, when we compare both these numbers, the number of digits are same. Here 6 digits are there, 6 digits are there, but the first digit is bigger in this number, so this number is bigger and this is smaller. Then we have to perform subtraction. So to find more TV sets in any one of the year, we have to perform subtraction. Then I am going to write steps, okay. So in a proper way, what are the steps? Focus at the board. It is given that TV sets sold in 2015-16 equals, it is 910,345. All right, and TV sets sold in year 2014-15 equals, the number is 84720 and 0. Okay, now question is, in which year were more TV sets sold? So we have to perform subtraction, put the minus sign, and you can subtract the numbers here only, okay. Now I hope this is very easy, you can also solve this. So let's start. 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, and 0 minus 7 not possible, so take borrow and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. Then again 0 minus 4 not possible, take borrow from 9, it becomes 10, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So let's check this subtraction again. Okay, the answer is correct. So this is the answer, 63,145. It means in the year 2015-16 these TV sets are sold more than this year. So finally we can conclude the answer in this way. In year 2015-16, 63,145 more TV sets were sold. So this is the answer of question number 13. Students, pause the video and note it down. Now question number 14. What is the question? Mohit travels 8 km 425 meter towards north. Okay, suppose you are Mohit. Just suppose. Then 13 km 210 meter towards south, and then 15 km 675 meter towards west. Calculate the total distance covered by Mohit. So solution of 14th question. We have to find the total distance covered. It means we have to find the sum of all these three values. So we will write kilometer and meter. Okay, and first value is 8 km 425 meter towards north. You don't need to write the direction. Okay, whatever it is, towards north, towards west, towards east, no need to write, just write the values. Then next value is 13,210, and next value is 15 km 675 meter, and put a plus sign. So check the values: 8 425, 13 210, and 15 675. Okay, now perform the addition. So it is 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, and 4 plus 7 11, 1 here 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5, plus 2 7, plus 6 13, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 3 12, plus 5 17, 1 carry, and it is 3. So the answer is 37 kilometer and 310 meter. Then we have to declare the result. So total distance covered by Mohit is 37 kilometer and 310 meter. And I hope it is very easy. Okay, you just need to perform the addition. So you'll have to add all these values. Later you can erase these numbers which I have put as a carry generated. So carry जो जनरेट होती है उसको आप बाद में इरेज कर सकते हैं, डजेंट मैटर. अगर आप चाहे तो उसको एज इट इज रहने दें, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नोट इट डाउन. And now it's time to solve the last question of this exercise. Question number 15. So let's see what is the question. An engine pumps out 850 liters of water in 1 minute. How many hours will it take to pump out 13,77,000 liters of water? So some information is given and some information is required, as it is the case of division. So we will write the steps. Listen carefully and focus at the board. We have to write 850 liters water is pumped in 1 minute, is pumped in 1 minute. It is given. Now 1 liter water is pumped in 1 upon 850 minute. It is just a unitary method, okay, because when you have to calculate the amount of 1, means about 1, then you have to perform the division, because it is more than 1 and we are going to find about 1 unit. Whatever, if there is something 1, then perform the division. Now if it is 13,77,000 liter of water, then it is pumped in 1 upon 850 into 13,77,000 minutes. Okay students, the values are correct and we have to perform the division. So to perform this division, we have to follow some rules. No need to divide this number by this directly, because the numbers are bigger. So think about the zeros. Zeros are cancelled. Okay. Now it is 85. This number ends with 5. This number ends with 0. So what to do? As you know, if the numbers end with 5 or 0, these are divisible by 5. So 85 is easily divisible by 5 17 times, and this is 27540. Okay, you can divide this number by 5 because I have already solved it, so I have written the value. Now as you can see, both the numbers, in both the numbers, the first number has 0, but in second number, that is 17, it doesn't have 0 or 5. So these numbers cannot be divided by 5. And try to divide this number by 17. Okay, it is completely divisible. How many times? It is 162 upon 17. It is 1620 upon not 17. Okay, so 1620 minutes means 1620 minutes, and this is the answer, but not final, because in the question it is asked that in how many hours. Hours means this minutes can be converted into hours. Okay, it is to be converted. So if you have to convert minute into hours, just divide the minutes by 60. So 0 can be cancelled. Think about 162 upon 6. The answer will be 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. So 6 2 ja 12. Then 4 and 2, and it is 27 hours. So student, the answer is 27 hours. Again, I want to remind you something. If you convert hours into minutes, multiply by 60, and if you convert minutes into hours, just divide by 60. So zeros are cancelled and you can perform division in rough notebook in this way. 162 divided by 6. So no need to show the division, it should be a rough work. Then write the answer here. So students, this is the answer, 27 hours. And I hope you understood these questions. These are very easy. Okay, easiest questions of this exercise, and I hope you will be sincerely do your study and solve the questions given in your assignment. All the best.